This is a stainless steel cable tie gun kit that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at this kit, then I'm going to give you a quick demo. Let's get into it. Let's start off with a quick look at what you're going to get in your kit. You're going to get your cable tie gun, some shears, 250 packs of 11.8 inch stainless steel cable ties, and an instruction manual. So guys, if you're anything like me, you probably got a bunch of hose clamps laying around. There's a bunch of applications for the hose clamps. There's a bunch of applications that this doesn't work for. So with these here, you're going to get some stainless steel cable ties. These are 11.8 inches, and they have a tensile strength of 200 pounds. So you're going to get 100 of them. Again, 250 count packs here, ready to go. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to use this gun and a quick demo on the shears. Let's get into it. So this gun is really easy to use. It's nice and ergonomic. You got some rubber handles on here for making sure that you can hold on to it. Basically, you're going to run your cable ties around your material and feed it through. Tighten it up and snug it up as far as you can with your hands. You're going to feed the tail into the gun like so. Snug it up, cut the tie, and it's set and ready to go. So easy peasy. If you're using this here for fixing fences or car repairs or anything that's either hot, sharp, or heavy, these here are going to be good for. When you're ready to remove it, or if you need to remove it, simply use your shears, cut it, and you're back to square one. So if you guys are looking for some stainless steel cable ties for your various projects, I highly recommend this kit here. I hope this helps.